I'm gonna show you how I do one of my natural makeup looks. And first step is I already prepped my skin, and now I'm gonna put on my sunscreen and I already moisturized as well. So I'll show you that another time. But last step is I always put on my sunscreen, and it's always so hot in LA. We just finished a massive heat wave. So yeah, we're gonna try it on. And I also always make sure to get my forehead when I put this on, and all the dark spots on my face too. So every day. And it just smells nice too. They do have a tinted shade, and they do have a lip balm too. So yeah, that was one thing I didn't realize. You should always also protect your lips from the sun as well, so that your lips don't get sunburned. But yeah, always wear sunscreen every single day. And a hat. You should watch my visor video if you haven't already. But yeah, always make sure that you have skin protection on. But this Ulta MD is amazing. So, okay, now that we have fully put on our sunscreen, the next step is I make sure to put on a little bit of cover up. And my favorite cover up is, I'm currently using the Natasha Genoa stick, and this can be used in a multitude of ways. You can use it as a concealer, or you can use it kind of like all over. So I just like to use it a little bit here and there. You can use it like here. You can use it as like a highlighter for some contouring. I like to put it on the little dark spots. And you're probably wondering like why it's so bright, but I'll tell you the reason behind that. If you've worked with makeup artists, you'll know that the best way to cover up dark spots is you actually have to either go a shade above or below. So that is why we're doing this. And this is the shade that I was prescribed at Sephora, so Natasha Genoa, really good stuff. And I love putting this on before I get to my actual foundation. So yeah, and it's so easy. It just goes on so nice. Super nice there. Okay, I'm kind of like the worst with makeup, which is nice because all of these products are so easy to put on, and you can put them on really quickly. So yeah, I just kind of go like this and just blend it in. I just don't have as much patience as I used to. I'm like, how did I do this when I was in my teens? Okay, not teens. My mom wouldn't really let me wear makeup, so we actually weren't even allowed to at school, believe it or not. I guess so. In college, I'm like, how did I do this in college? How did I have the patience? So there we go. So this is my natural makeup routine. So I'm pretty much covered up for the most part. If you want to get a little fancier, we can do some contouring on the cheeks, but I don't really feel like I need it right now. Sometimes I might go like this on my nose with it, but we're not going to do that today. We can do that another time. We're not going anywhere. And this is my favorite also, is my Laura Mercier foundation. And this is the Real Flawless Weightless Perfection foundation, and just love Laura Mercier products. Also, they just go on so well. I'll just do like 3 pumps of this, and I am a 4N2T shade in this, and it's just so beautiful and elegant. Like if you see, I wore this, I actually had the makeup artist at my sister's wedding put this on me. I know, I showed up. I showed up actually with all of these products to the wedding, and everyone's like, oh, your makeup looks so good. I'm like, oh, thanks. They didn't know my secret. Bring your own makeup. You guys are welcome to steal that one from me. You're welcome. and they did a great job. But it's just nice because I already know what works for my skin. And also the best thing is just give this like, I don't know, a minute or so, and it really just sets nicely into my skin. Also, I try to be better at blending down the neckline. I'll just pat. There we go. Yeah. All right. I'm excited to actually maybe get in the pool because again, it's not 100 degrees and I can actually enjoy the pool like you're supposed to enjoy it. Okay, we're looking pretty good. Cute, right? I know. Okay. And we're almost done. We just have 2 more things. Okay, Laura Mercier again, setting powder. Love this, I have used this for years. This is the translucent setting powder. And I actually have this in this big jar and the mini, which is really fun. So if you're like going out for dinner, right, the mini travel size, Sephora used to have that for their VIB points at the register. So if you come across the mini, snag it. It's so perfect for like traveling or just having in your going out bag. Just a little setting powder in case you get a little oily. But also it's not even about being oily, it's just about setting the makeup into your skin and just giving it that polished finish 3D photo look. I'm pretty sure Hollywood photographers use this. That's the whole thing. To get that Hollywood photo look. Yeah. Just look really pristine and finished after you put on your makeup. And you already look great, to be honest, before I even put this on, but this really just takes it one step further. Okay, almost done, last step. Time for a little blush. Oh, and this is the NARS blush that I am using, which is amazing. NARS has always crushed it when it comes to blush. Yeah, and it's okay to go a little heavier on the blush because blush is one of those things that will fade as the day goes on, so. What do you guys think? This is my natural makeup look for the day, so. Let's go see. Yeah, it looks pretty good, right? Ooh, okay, yeah, I did a good job. Yeah, we're looking good. So, yeah, that is how you do some makeup, everyone. Have a good day.